Hello everyone! Today, we are going to draw a laptop and an iPhone. Ready to start? Let's go!
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start with the laptop. Draw a big rectangle for the screen. Now, add a smaller rectangle below it for the keyboard.
La da 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 dee.
Draw a big heart shape on the screen. Let's draw the iPhone beside the laptop. Draw a tall rectangle and a smaller rectangle in the top corner for the camera area.
Yay!
Also draw the Apple logo in the middle. Our gadgets are complete. Now make the outline bold with a black marker to make it pop. Time to color. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Orange color. Yellow color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
Yay!
Pink color. Wow! Our gadgets look amazing! Fantastic work! See you in the next video! Hi, little artists! Are you ready for a colorful adventure? Today, we're going to draw and color a super cool iPhone using all the colors of the rainbow. Grab your markers and let's get started! First, let's draw the iPhone's shape. Start by drawing a tall rectangle. This will be the body of our iPhone. Make sure your lines are nice and straight. Now, let's draw the camera area at the top left corner of the iPhone. Inside the small rectangle, let's draw 3 big circles and 2 small circles. These are the cameras and sensors that help us take amazing pictures and videos. What's an iPhone without the Apple logo? Let's draw the Apple logo right in the center of the big rectangle. Now, let's make our iPhone stand out by going over all our lines with a bold black marker. This will make our drawing look super cool. Awesome job! Looking fantastic! Now comes the fun part, coloring. Let's use rainbow colors to make our iPhone look amazing. Grab your color pens and let's color together. Maroon color. Purple color. Red color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Awesome! Great job, everyone! Wow, look at that! Your rainbow iPhone looks fantastic! If you had fun drawing and coloring with us today, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.
Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw something super fun and useful. A smartphone. Are you ready?
Yay!
First, draw a tall rectangle. Great! That will be our phone shape. Now draw another small rectangle inside it. This will be the screen. Draw the side buttons on the phone. Now draw the receive button, the speaker, and the front camera on top. Awesome work! Now let's decorate the screen with fun app icons. First, draw a video player icon. Next, draw a mail icon. Now draw a music icon. Draw a chat bubble icon. Now draw a clock icon.
La da 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 dee.
And finally, draw a camera icon. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Show me your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Gray color. Cream color. Purple and pink color. Awesome coloring, everyone! Your smartphone drawing looks fantastic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun drawings on Toddlers Art Hub. Hi, friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cool that we use every day, a smartphone.
Yay!
First, let's draw a big rectangle. This will be the body of our phone. Now, inside that rectangle, draw another smaller rectangle. This will be the screen. Great job! At the top of the screen, draw a small oval shape for the speaker area. And at the bottom, draw a small circle. That's our home button. Now, make our phone look 3D. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's grab our markers and color together. Say the colors out loud with me. Purple color. color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Blue color. Wow, that looks amazing! Great job, everyone. You did an awesome job drawing and coloring a smartphone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.